Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video consists of very beautiful, stylish, trendy design ideas of designer based patterns of hand embroidery, and you can use them for machine embroidery, computer embroidery, and many more creativities of hand art, needle art as well. So before going into the further details, I have a simple request that please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos, and don't forget to leave comments below. So friends, as you could see that a very beautiful, exquisite, extremely eye-catchy and a warm color combination, attractive patterns of hand embroidered trousers, hand embroidered shalwar, hand embroidered bottoms, hand embroidered plazos, and many type of capri, loose culottes, and many more creativities as per bottoms have been shared with you. So you can design these patterns and pair up with your shirts, t-shirts, tops, or any type of creative kurti or upper material as well. So if you like my ideas, then please don't forget to like my video and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. So thank you so much for watching. Be happy and spread happiness.